Hey, hello all, welcome to Hacker Associate. In this section, basically I'm going to teach you about Gbounty particular framework, and our objective is to understand how to automate your bug bounty, basically a bug bounty automation using a Gbounty tool. So here, like what is Gbounty? So there are many tools out there, basically for web application penetration testing, and we have seen like many tools in the past. So I'm using AI powered penetration testing called Burp GPT, and today I'm basically going to record a video on Gbounty. So lot of requests came on LinkedIn, and then even this video actually I want to create from a long time, but unfortunately I'm not able to do this. So I have decided to record a video on Gbounty, and I'm going to show you how powerful it is. And if you are in the bug bounty or if you are in the live hunting, this particular framework is definitely beneficial for you. So stay with me for this particular video, and I'm going to see you in the practical session. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and let's hack together. Hey, hello everyone, let's get started. So as I mentioned, like we will be going to discuss about Gbounty, and we'll see like directly the practical part, how we can use it, how to set the environment variable, and many others. So let me just jump directly to the presentation. This is the presentation which we are going to see today. So what is Gbounty, right? These are objectives. That is start, play it, bug bounty. So specifically if you're in a bug bounty environment, this particular framework is definitely beneficial for you. So bug bounty automation, and let's get started. So how to use Gbounty, right? So first of all, let me just give you answer of this one. So you can simply go to the Google, and you can simply go to this website called gbounty.net, right? There's an option called try it for free. You can simply download it, and basically once you download it, you will see this particular folder will be available here. And when I try to open my terminal, you can see here clearly this is basically the output of Gbounty, right? So let me show you everything from scratch. So I'll go to the CD desktop, and remember I'm everything doing from my Mac system. So let me go to the desktop, and I'm going to use Gbounty, and you can simply see that we have a different versions coming there once you download it. So example, let's say your operating system is Windows, Mac, or Linux, whatever it is, you can select the particular platform, extract it, and use particular binary. In my case, the binary is Gbounty, so you can simply use Gbounty like this, press H -H, right? This is a help system, and you can clearly see that it is telling license error. Please use Gbounty license key environment variable to specify the license key. Because I created the environment variable in the previous terminal, so might be you'll see this kind of error, right? So simply go to this particular terminal here, and if you just see in this particular section, if I just simply type Gbounty -H, and you can see it's working perfectly. There is no problem regarding to the environment variable, right? So how to set the environment variable, or what exactly is this Gbounty, right? So we will learn how to utilize Gbounty. We will be going to learn about how to setting an environment variable. We will be also learning like Gbounty command line interface, how to use it properly, what are the basically the tag and everything we can use it. And the main important part is how you can scan for vulnerabilities, right? So example, let's say we want to test live application, so how we can do that. This is another section like Gbounty environment variable. So how to set the environment variable? Very simple thing is you can use export Gbounty _license _key, right? So the command will be like this, export, and you can use Gbounty license _key. So if you want to just see this screenshot, I'm going to show you here. It look like this, export Gbounty _license _key. Once you set this particular license, and you will see the license key available there under the env section. So you can see this is basically the license key available here, right? Once you set the environment variable, now you're free to use this particular tool in a proper manner. So if you have any live endpoint, you can specify it with -u option, and that's it. Automatically Gbounty framework will automatically scan for you. So this is basically the section that is start live hacking and how to scan web application for vulnerability. So you can see any application, if you have any live application, you can select -u parameter here, and you can simply select it. For example, let's say we'll take any test application, there is basically Gbounty. So today our objective is to understand Gbounty framework, how we can use it, right? In the coming video, I'm going to show you directly on live application. So stay with us. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to us and we will hack together. So here it is, Gbounty, and mine is you. We can see the HTTP, whatever the website okay you have, you can try any live application here, but just for demonstration purpose, because most of the people are beginner, they have no idea about bug bounty everything, so I need to cover for those people as well. So test php.vulnerableWeb.com. Again, this is only for testing purpose. Generally, even I have a full program available okay on my website. You can simply go to hackerassociate.com, and here basically I'm going to teach a full stack penetration testing on application area, like black hat penetration testing on web area or infrastructure. Many courses are available under this section, so you can please have a look into this. Our popular program is AWPT, Advanced Application Penetration Testing, where I teach all this particular tool okay in advanced manner, okay. And we will be taking a live HackerOne, bug crowd, integrity. Basically we do bug bounty there on this particular platform. So you can check all my videos and everything okay on the premium sections under Hacker Associate portal. So here is basically the application which I am testing, and when you can simple press enter and you can see the tool is started, and now you can simple take a coffee and automatically this tool everything will do for you. That's all about this particular section. So let's go in the presentation, what else is there. So you can see, check the image Gbounty live working. So this is how the Gbounty work. You can specify Gbounty minus u, and that's how okay Gbounty work there. Perfect. And as I mentioned to you, I'll show you okay in the next video about live scanning or live website hacking. So stay with us, and that's all for this particular video. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe this particular the channel. And if I just show you the output okay how it look like, you can see this is the output okay. So you're going to check okay all the headers. You can see the severity information, the form, the passive response, everything okay you will be getting here. But here I simple taught you about a normal scanning, right? If I use a advanced profile, or if I use my own custom profile, I can easily detect accesses, SSRF, or any kind of vulnerability, OS top 10 plus beyond than OS top 10. I can easily identify within 1 or 2 hours. It depends upon the architecture of the web application, right? That's all for this section, and have a great day. See you soon in the next episode.